Live, trance, and prosper. Hi, I'm Dr. David Phillips, and welcome to Virtual Reality. This session, we're going to do something a little different. It's called Nature Treks VR. As most of you know, I am a hypnotist. I teach and practice Tramian, hypnosis, and meditation, and all sorts of trance work. I'm particularly interested in ecstatic trance work, things like that. So, I wanted to try something that was more meditative and relaxing. It's not one of those zombie kill games, but nature treks. I've never played the game before. I just now opened it for the very first time on my Vive, so you're going to see what's there as I do. But let's step into virtual reality and see what happens. Ooh. Okay, so I am in virtual reality. My hands are pretty cool. If I put them close, they actually seem to grasp. The environment is actually very beautiful. I can see planets, stars, gateways to the multiverse. Obviously, my gaze is selecting environments. Oh, there's behind me. They have the logo. Trackpad up for help. Okay. Red fall, violet dawn, orange. So these are environments you can choose from. It really does feel like I'm selecting from a multiverse. I can't play with the planet, but it's so pretty. Seriously, this is very pretty. It looks 2D on your screen because it's 2D on your screen. But what I'm looking at is really, really pretty. Now, where do I want to go, folks? Turquoise, white waterfall, blue moon, green, blue oceans, black beginning. Okay, I'm going to go with black beginning because it kind of feels like a Yggdrasil world tree kind of thing. So how do I choose it? Oh, okay. I held both my triggers down. It did something. I am in my spot. Okay, so this is black beginning. I am in the universe. Oh, it really is pretty. Usually floating in space freaks me out. I have height issues. Oh, shooting star. Oh, I don't want to do that. What is that? Something's there. Can I leave? Okay, yeah, exit with this. Didn't tell me I could do that. We'll try a different location. That obviously becomes the world tree or the universe tree. Green bamboo. Oh, I live in Asia. Green bamboo. So there's several different locations you can go, and you're supposed to be able to interact with the things around you. Okay, so I look around. Music changes a bit. It's very relaxing, very pretty. I can move forward. And I can look around. It's not really a play. Oh, you can also use a trigger on the other hand for the other forms of movement. It's not making me motion sick yet. I'm usually more comfortable with teleportation, which is this hand. We're going to go say hello to a tiger. Hello. Hey, Dave. Hey. Oh, he didn't want to be petted. I'm sorry. Sorry. Oh, they changed. They changed. Oh no. Oh no, no. So how do I use it? Oh, I changed something. I've interacted with bamboo. Oh, gee, I don't want to do that. Maybe the sun? Wait. So, oh, it's a day. Let's move forward. I turned off the music. So essentially this game is all about the environments, folks. The tiger won't kill you. You don't have to fight anything. You don't have to kill anything. You can just explore and interact. Can I go in the water? No. But I can go to the other side. Alright, so I can't go in there. It's not infinite yet. That's the border. Well, that's nice. This one gets me out. And we're back here. We're going to do one more. Where do you guys want to go? What wonderful. That looks like lightning. Green, blue. Winter. I live in Taiwan. I don't see white winters anymore. And I'm pretty sure, being a Kansas boy and been through many wizards, this is the only way I want to see white winters now. And that's through... Oh, let's go over there. Seriously, these are very pretty environments. There's our eagle. Can we go up here? No. What's that, a bunny? Bunny rabbit. Hey, bunny. Can I interact? I don't want to pick up a... Oh, too high. Yeah, you don't want to do that. So you shoot straight at the ground and you go up? No. I don't know why that happened. Either way, very pretty, very pretty. Let's get out of here. And we're back in our environment. Nature Treks VR. Let's get out of VR now. I will return. I actually, first, for my hypnosis friends, drop into trance and play with this as if it's real. Give yourself some, check out my web pages, www.briandavidphillips.com, and check out the Vicarious Experiential Machine. I'll bet it's awesome to use that technique here. But let's get out of VR. So, that's Nature Treks VR. Meditative, relaxing. You don't go around killing things. You can interact. You have limited written interaction, but you can interact. You can change things around. You can play with it. Obviously, we only spent a few minutes, but you can really fully explore it. My hypnosis friends are folks who are interested in trance work, ecstatic trance, meditative trance, meditation, focus trance, whatever. This might be one to play with, especially if you pop into trance in the environments. But for now, though, please press that likey button and hit subscribe if you're not already a subscriber of the channel. And until next time, this is Dr. Brian David Phillips saying, live trance and prosper. Bye-bye.